I appear in your mirror, now I'm in your ear. Hoes losing their ears, fool you losing over here and maneuvering in fear. Ruin your career, but you may keep a tear, so fuck out of here. Drinking this beer in a Chevy Cavalier, running over baby deers and shit. Not a tear, not as bad as it appear. I do it once a year, and let's be clear, it's in 5th gear. Voluptuous sluts with double D cups, titties enormous, buying Dior plus, crying for these nuts, dying to please us, conniving and scheming, checking off in your sauce with a side of semen. Not your boy heathen since I've been breathing, plotting treason in the off season. I'm winning while you feeling like fans of Cleveland. Don't believe him. You say I ain't hot, then you reaching. I spit it like a motherfucking Gleekin. I must have a fever, overachiever. You want me to meet her? I'm eager. I eat her, then beat her. My cock in her beaver. I skeet her and leave her. Power on the Evo, delete her, cause I don't need her. Don't be eater. Here's another heater. Changing the game, pulling more strings than an episode of Cousin Skeeter. I'm a primate with a mind-boggling line of thinking. And frankly, you nigga just ain't me, so now you angry. Nigga, you should thank me, cause I'm what you can't be. Smoking dank weed, the color of gangrene. Woo! Lately, niggas wanna shank me. Relate to me, how they rank with thee. I am peach, these geeks on a hating spree. I'm cake and seed, she breaking green. We sipping lean, I am zipper jeans. And a U-porn stream, get ready for the screams. Now here's the cream, my back out your pass out, now it's sweet dreams. And to the next scene, beat them up like tambourines. Anoint the new king, my bar's so mean to keep these fiends jumping like trampolines. Upon the fighter's arrival, get a title to your idol. I break hearts like Shawn Michaels while holding the Holy Bible. The basic instructions before leaving earth, I follow it, got hollow tips, so now you eating dirt. As king is my worth as I blurt these curse words. Mama telling me a verse from church, my mind going off this perp. Time to go to work as I sit in the lab with my pen and pad. My bitch is bad, I sexually harass. I grab her ass, she roll the grass, my dick in her mouth as she gags. I'm peeling racks, revealing crack, drinking more than an undergrad. You chumps all lag, yo, watch my craft. Getting paper like grocery bags, choking these facts, stroking these hacks. Kill your wolf pack like it's overseas at. So I aim steady, fuck it, where's my machete? I roll like Pirellis on a big boy Chevy. I tell you people daily that this motherfucker deadly. Y'all fail to correct me, nigga, get at me directly while I'm smoking heavy. I'm in the backseat getting Becky from a bitch named Peggy. You heard what I said, B. I just try to be the best, see what